These are the 2 career skills you'll need to learn in your 20s so that you become unkillable in your corporate career. Grads are conditioned to worship safe, secure jobs right out of the university. But choosing comfort over experimentation at 22 is a psychological death warrant that leaves you completely replaceable by 30. Most career advice tells you to climb a predictable corporate ladder. But the matrix has changed. To build a bulletproof future, you actually need to run towards chaos. There are exactly 2 high-level crucibles that make your value permanent, and they have nothing to do with playing it safe. I'm not guessing here. I spent a decade in the trenches of hyper-growth companies like Uber and Oyo, working for high-paying roles like growth and advisory. I've engineered cross-functional playbooks that prove that these 2 skills are applicable anywhere. Let's look at skill number 1, that is working for a startup. When you join a massive, established multinational company at the age of 23, you are a microscopic cog in a giant, optimized machine. Your job description is so narrow that you can go 6 months without understanding how the company actually makes a single rupee. You only see one tiny corner of the puzzle. Your growth is restricted by corporate layers, slow performance cycles, and ancient red tapes. But when you pack your bags and walk into an early stage startup, your safety nets are gone. A startup is a chaotic, beautiful, fast-moving laboratory. And the best part is there are no manuals and no established protocols. On Monday, you're handling operations. On Wednesday, you're preparing a client pitch. Friday, you're sitting next to the founder trying to solve a critical cash flow crisis. You are exposed to the anatomy of business in the purest, most volatile form. And what does this do to your brain? It compresses time. 1 year of working in a high-growth, high-stress startup environment will teach you more about product, marketing, human psychology, and problem-solving than 5 years of sitting in a quiet corporate cubicle. It basically forces you to take extreme ownership. You learn how to look at a massive, burning operational fire, stay completely calm, and engineer a solution from thin air. If you spend your 20s in a startup, you learn how to build things from scratch. You stop being an employee who waits for instructions and you become an operator who executes under pressure. This is the exact asset that corporate firms pay a premium for when you choose to transition into a structured job in your 30s. Skill number 2, high ticket sales. Startup chaos is only half the equation. The absolute ultimate superpower you will have to master in your 20s is sales. The moment you say the word sales, most people instantly cringe. They think of annoying telemarketers or sketchy used car dealerships or manipulative pitches. Most of us avoid it because we're terrified of the one thing sales guarantees, that is a rejection. But true sales is not about manipulation. Sales is the ultimate applied study of human psychology, active listening, negotiation, and value creation. When you sit across a human being and convince them to part with their hard-earned money for your solution, you are practicing the highest leverage skill in the global economy. When you work in a dedicated sales role in your 20s, you get your ego systematically crushed. And it is the best thing that will ever happen to you. The first 50 times a prospect hangs up on you or says no, it hurts. But by the 100th time, something magical happens in your brain. You become entirely immune to rejection. And you stop taking no personally. You begin to see rejection not as a permanent personal failure, but simply as an objective data point in a fluid game. Think about the leverage this gives you across the rest of your life. If you're not afraid of rejection, you're no longer afraid of anything. You will start confidently pitching for promotions you're not qualified for. You will cold email CEOs of billion-dollar firms, and you will negotiate salary packages with absolute, unshakable conviction because you know exactly how to articulate your value and handle objections. Every single leader, founder, and elite executive on this planet is at their core a master salesperson. If you cannot sell your ideas, your qualifications basically doesn't matter. And look, this isn't just a collection of abstract theories I read in a modern business book. This is my personal story. I spent my 20s ruthlessly throwing myself into these volatile crucibles. I navigated high growth startups. I managed intense levels of sales, growth, retention, and advisory. At this point, my professional footprint looks completely different. I look at my CV today and it is a tight, powerful, 2-page document packed with the most vibrant, unpredictable stories you can ever imagine. Every single time I sit in front of a hiring panel and take them through my timeline, they are completely captivated. Why? Because I am not delivering a monotonous carbon copy repetition of the same safe role over and over again for the past 10 years. I am handling them a narrative of pure, unadulterated execution. Now, there is absolutely nothing inherently wrong with staying in a comfortable, safe lane for over 10 years. If you do that, you undoubtedly become a highly disciplined, product or domain experts. And that path has its own place. But if you choose that safety net too early, you'll have to be brutally honest about the trade-offs. You might end up missing your ultimate untapped potential. You will never find out what your brain is truly capable of achieving when the training wheels are completely ripped off. Here is the ultimate irony. The people who take the biggest, most chaotic risks in their 20s are the exact same people who secure the most luxurious, high-paying, stable positions in their 30s. By the time you hit 30s, your priorities might naturally change. You might want predictable hours, a secured lifestyle, and a comfortable pace. And you will get it, but with a massive twist. Because you spend your 20s learning how to operate startups and close sales, you will directly step into leadership, strategy, and high-tier management roles. You will end up having the leverage to command double the salary of someone who's played it the safe route. Because you bring rare, battle-tested scars to the boardroom. Stop looking for a place to hide from the real world. Go find a startup that is growing too fast. Go take a job where your income is directly tied to your ability to pitch, close, and perform. Get comfortable with chaos. Collect those rejections like badges of honors and build an unkillable level of self-belief. If you're ready to stop playing the defense corporate game and start building an unkillable career, smash that subscribe button right now. What is the biggest career risk you're terrified of taking right now? Let me know in the comments below. Stay volatile, stay dangerous, and go learn how to sell. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.